Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Ram 1500 oil change light. Start by getting into your Dodge Ram 1500. The first crucial step is to turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This means all your dashboard lights should illuminate, but the engine itself should remain off. This initial action sets the stage for successfully resetting your oil change indicator, ensuring your vehicle is ready to receive the next commands. It's a simple yet vital beginning to the process. Next, with the ignition still in the on position and the engine off, you'll use your accelerator pedal. Fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 times within a 10-second window. Make sure each press is slow, deliberate, and complete, reaching the full extent of the pedal's travel. This specific sequence sends a clear signal to your Ram's onboard computer, initiating the oil change light reset process. After completing the accelerator pedal sequence, turn your ignition completely to the off position. Allow a brief pause, perhaps 10 to 15 seconds, for the vehicle systems to register the reset command. Then, start your engine as you normally would. The oil change indicator light should now be off, confirming a successful reset. If it remains on, you might need to repeat the steps carefully. Remember, resetting the oil change light should always follow an actual oil and filter change. This indicator is a reminder for essential maintenance, not just a light to turn off. Consult your Ram 1500 owner's manual for any model-specific variations in the reset procedure. Consistent and timely oil changes, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, are crucial for maintaining your engine's health and ensuring its long-term performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.